Welcome to the Dry Easy channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a mom dolphin and a baby dolphin step by step. First, we'll start by drawing the mom dolphin, beginning with her body. Next, we'll draw the baby dolphin. Now, let's add a ball to the drawing. It's time to start coloring. I used a sky blue marker for the mom dolphin's body. And a yellow marker for this part of her body. For the baby dolphin, I used a pink marker for the body and magenta for this part of the body. Lastly, I colored the ball with green and red markers.